Hey people, so it's a Sunday again and this young man is again all busy, and except that with my hair being like this, I'm feeling a bit lost, but yeah, this is better. So, like earlier when I had started my channel, each time I had something new, I would be very keen to review it. So, basically, any woman out there, kajal is a very important part of one's dressing up. So I've through experience I've learned that colossal kajal that is just like 150 bucks is really it kind of compared to the other kinds of kajal, this one makes one it makes a big difference, and also I'm in love with these offers, yeah, that you get. So this is, yeah, I think I'll make this in the next video. So really, this is already a 1 minute long video, but colossal kajal people, but I need to, it's a word of caution that in places like Mumbai and all, you have these people on the streets selling, selling products like this, which is actually counterfeit. They are imitation products. So those are very dangerous to use. But when you buy a regular Lakme colossal, no, not Lakme, this Maybelline colossal kajal from a store, it makes a huge difference. So without hair my face looks different, but yeah, but really people, Maybelline colossal kajal it is, and it is awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.